Hi, it's Doug. How you doing? Doing some printing here on the old Tinkerine Ditto, and by old I mean old. This is the original Tinkerine Ditto, not the Ditto Plus, not the Ditto Pro, none of those things. This is the Ditto. This was given to me by my friend Maharaja MacDaddy, the MMD, and he gave it to me. He said, if you can make it work, make it work. It had some repairs that needed to be done on it, and it is working fabulously right now. So much so, in fact, I am now trying to print the Maker's Muse calibration guide, the tolerance calibration model, version 2. I did it earlier, in fact, earlier today, on the Tron XY, X1, that I bought earlier this month, and it turned out wonderfully. It came out great. I was able to unlock all of the different locks and gauges on that. If you haven't seen that video, might as well go check that one out if you get a chance, if you like watching people say, hey, look what I printed, because that's basically what this is. Instead of giving you a long bit of explanation or whatever, let's just jump to the results here. I'll give you a little video of, a quick little video of it printing, but you see one time lapse of this thing, you've probably seen them all. Anyway, we'll see what it looks like at the end when it's done. The Maker's Muse Tolerance Test version 2. This has been printed over there on the Ditto, the original Tinkerine Ditto, given to me by the Maharaja MacDaddy. It was really stuck to the plate. I've changed the build plate on that to a piece of glass, and I've taken to using Yoo-hoo and a little bit of water and thinning it down, and I find it really holds things on there well. I ended up having to use dental floss to get this started. I found that dental floss is a great way of getting prints off of the glass. Anyway, so the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's see. Starting with 0.5. Here's the 0.5 here on the top. Will it work? Yes, of course. Works no problem. Oh, actually. A little grabby in some spots. There's a couple little snots right there. Let's see if we can see it. You can see a little bumpy there. That's kind of getting in the way. So that's good. Let's go to the 0.4. 0.4. Here is the 0.4 right here. Let's give it a try. Yep, it works. Though, I don't like the print on this one as well as I like the one on my Tron XY. Maybe a little finer layer height might be better. This was 0.2 millimeters. All right, so the 0.4 works. 0.3, right here, 0.3. Is it gonna work? Oh, now I had to work on this on the Tronxy as well. It was a little tight before. Ah, there, I just got it. It was pretty easy. It's tighter, but there's probably just some stringing or something that made that stick. Now, here we go. 0.2. I'll be surprised if 0.2 works. Now, if you look at the base, will it focus? The question is, will it focus? Maybe. There is a gap. There is a gap. It printed with the gap. Let's see. 0.2 on the top, right here. Oh, gotta work it. Okay, we're gonna try it now with the screwdriver. Put it in there, and it popped, it clicked, and it turns quite nicely. Well, not quite nicely, but do it enough and it will. It looks like maybe, I'm not sure where it was sticking. I can see a kind of a couple little goobers in the somewhere in here that that may be where it was sticking. Okay, 0.15. 0.15 right there. Will it work? I don't think so. I don't think it's going to work. I can see, I don't know if you'll be able to, right here, right there, there is the gap. On the other side, however, not much. On the back, where it's nice and shiny, you can see some gap here, but not so much there. Let's see. I'm gonna go straight to the tool because I know I'm gonna need that. No, I think I may have just broken something. Did it work? Sounded like something snapped. No, let's try a little bit more. Let's see. Don't think it's gonna do it. You know, I can see it's separating here. It's separating there, no problem. But it's stuck on here. So there we go. Probably, I noticed that the printer was a little narrow on the 20 by 20s that I was printing, and I think I have to do some more calibration. But for a free printer, one that I got for free that was having a lot of difficulties, that's a pretty good printer, especially with it being one of the first generation printers. Anyway, there you go. Where the hell is the camera here? Oh, it's right there. Hi!